If you ever experience temperature fluctuations or find your Eurotherm EPC 3016 is running too hot, it may be time for a recalibration. In this video, we will show you how to correctly run an auto-tune on the EPC 3016 equipped Precision Fixtures hotbox to correct these issues. By default, the EPC 3016 operates in manual mode. When in manual, you will see an M indicator clearly displayed on the screen. However, when switched to auto mode, no indicator will be displayed at all. To switch between auto and manual mode at any time, press and hold both arrow keys until the AM display appears. Use the up arrow to select auto, then press the enter key to confirm. Now that the unit is in auto, we can begin the auto-tune process. For the best results, ensure the unit is already supplying a temperature close to your preset value and that your airflow is running at your desired pressure. Follow these steps to stabilize your temperature. Step 1. Press and hold the menu key until LEV1 shows on the display. Use the up key to change the display to LEV2, then press enter. Step 2. Use the enter key to navigate the digits and use the arrow keys to enter code 0002. Press enter to accept. Step 3. Press the enter key 10 times until tune is displayed on the screen. Press the up key to select on, then press enter to start the process. Step 4. Press and hold the menu key until LEV2 shows on the display. Use the down key to select LEV1 and press enter to return to the main operating screen. Your controller will now optimize its settings to provide a steady, accurate temperature. You are now ready to use your PF-9070 Precision Fixtures hotbox. Subscribe and like the video to see more from us at Precision Fixtures.